practice of intentional understanding, empathy doesn't begin as a skill, it begins as a choice. A decision to step outside your own lens to truly see someone else's. Like any meaningful human behavior, empathy is practiced, refined through repetition, and strengthened through awareness. Empathy starts with listening to hear. Real empathy requires listening with the intent to hear, not to respond, without filtering their words through your own bias. Sometimes it means recognizing their bias, the lens that shapes their experience without judgment. This is the art of presence, pausing your internal dialogue, setting aside your assumptions, letting their story be the only story. Regulation, the pause that makes empathy possible. To practice empathy, table your own emotions. Not suppress them, but regulate them. Pause long enough to stay grounded, curious, and open. Remember, empathy is not fixing. Empathy is not solving. Empathy is not rescuing. Solutions are only offered when asked. Otherwise, your job is to hold space. Seek the moments. Empathy doesn't just happen. You seek opportunities, notice the moment, and regulate yourself through the listening process. Work in management or customer service, take notes when appropriate. It shows the conversation matters. With peers. Sit somewhere quiet, turn your full body toward them. Remove barriers. No phone, no watch checking, no distractions. In relationships, create one-on-one moments. Be fully present. Let your body language say, "I'm here with you." The language of empathy. Use small verbal cues that show you're engaged. Interesting. Tell me more. Oh, wow. That's remarkable. Yeah, that's unbelievable. That's crazy. Amazing. And every so often, paraphrase with one or two words. Feeling overlooked? Really frustrated? Excited about that? These micro-reflections signal that you're not just hearing, you're understanding. Repetition builds mastery. When you practice this consistently, something subtle and powerful begins to shift. You move from boss to trusted confidant, from coworker to reliable friend, from acquaintance to inner circle trust. Empathy becomes not just something you do, but something you are. You are your behavior architect. Every moment of presence, every pause, every reflection, every regulated breath. These are the bricks. Empathy is the structure you build with them. Practice the framework. Live the difference. Shape the way people experience you, one intentional moment at a time. I am Jim Rutherford. This is the Want to Project. I will see you Friday.